Today, let's make homemade buttermilk ranch dressing. Okay, we have all our ingredients nearby. I'm gonna get 1/4 cup of homemade buttermilk in the big mixing bowl first. That's buttermilk that I made in my last video where I made homemade butter, which the byproduct of making butter is buttermilk. Next, I'm gonna get 1/4 cup of sour cream in the big mixing bowl and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now, however you make this ranch recipe, you just need equal parts of the buttermilk, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Next, I have my garlic clove out. I'm gonna get the skin off of there and chop it up very finely, mince it, and then here I'm crushing it into a paste, and that goes in your big mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna get our dill chopped up super finely. Now keep in mind, all of the ingredients I'm using here are just very typical buttermilk ranch dressing ingredients, and if you don't like one of the ingredients, you can take it out or add other ingredients that you like. Here I'm mincing up the parsley, getting that into the mixing bowl, and now mincing up the chives, getting that into the mixing bowl. We're also going to get a squeeze of lemon juice in there, maybe a tablespoon of that. An idea for something extra to put in the ranch to make it your own is a little sriracha if you like it to be a little spicier. And also, if you do not have a whole garlic clove, you can use garlic powder. Here I'm putting 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder into the bowl, and next seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Lastly, you just have to mix everything up very well in that bowl. I'm putting it into a serving bowl to actually eat it, and getting out a nice big Costco chicken leg, dipping that into the homemade buttermilk ranch. Alrighty, let's give this a try. Alright, I'm really sorry that I'm making you guys watch this disgusting display of eating a chicken leg. The ranch is incredible, and I'm speechless here. That homemade buttermilk ranch, so delicious. I wish I had chicken wings so I could eat all that, or if you like dipping pizza into ranch, that would be incredible. You could also put this on a salad. You can make a chicken salad with some ranch on there. A lot of people put ranch dressing on literally anything. I had to get another bite. Oh, I'm making you watch it again. I'm sorry. They're just too good. I hope you try to make ranch at home yourself. You don't have to make the buttermilk yourself at home like I did. Just get the ingredients, make it fresh at home. It will really elevate your dressing game.